Hey everyone, welcome to Newbie Tech, and today I'm going to be showing guys how to install the thefatrat tool in your Linux computer. So I'm going to be using Parrot Linux distribution, but you can do this same process in Kali Linux or any other Linux distribution like Ubuntu or Linux Mint as well. So open up your browser and go to the link that I have provided in the description below and go to the GitHub page and download the zip file and save it somewhere on your desktop. I'm going to be skipping this video to the point that this tool is downloaded. So the download is finally complete. Let's go to downloads folder, and here we have the thefatrat tool. Let's just copy this and paste on our desktop so that it's easier. So let's just extract this zip file, and there we have the tool itself. I'm just gonna rename it to the thefatrat and copy this same folder to my opt directory with cp thefatrat /opt. We need the -r option here and sudo permission as well. So once this finishes copying, I can delete this folder. I can delete this zip file as well. Now let me just change my directory to /opt and do a quick ls to see my thefatrat folder. Let's change the directory to thefatrat. So we're gonna need super user permission for that. Okay, let's change the ownership. Thefatrat, we need super user permission, so do thefatrat. Let's do ls, and these are all the files that come with the thefatrat tool. Now we have the setup.sh file right here. This to chmod +x setup.sh and make it executable. We need the sudo as usual, and now we can do sudo./setup.sh and execute it. Now it's gonna check for all the dependencies and see if all the dependencies are installed in my computer. If they are not installed, it's gonna download them from the repository and install it. Now as you can see, some of these dependencies are found in my computer, and some of the other dependencies are waiting to be installed. So I'm gonna skip this video a little bit to the point where all of these files are already downloaded. So finally guys, some of the dependencies were installed. In my case, Zarsigner and MingW were installed. They were not found in my computer and it was installed from the repository. And now Backdoor Factory is also not found in my computer. So in this case, I'm gonna just install it from the Kali Linux repository. So if you are using Kali Linux repository, I highly suggest you to insert the GPG keys for it. I'm gonna leave the command in the description below. So once you do that, you can just select 2 and it's gonna download and install from the Kali Linux repository. So here we have the shortcut option. So in case if you want thefatrat to start from any location, then you can just choose yes, or you can simply go to the /opt directory where you have installed thefatrat and start thefatrat from there. So in my case, I'm just gonna do yes, and now the installation is complete. So now we can start a thefatrat from any location. So let's just go ahead and do thefatrat, and sorry, we need the super user ss for this to start. So as you can see, it's gonna recheck all of the dependencies once again and start once it's completed. So here it is guys, thefatrat is successfully installed and configured on Parrot Linux distribution. Now you can jump into all of these post exploitation commands and everything. So thank you guys for watching, and the next videos I'm going to be doing on is how to use thefatrat to exploit Windows or Linux or Mac OS or even Android OS. So tune up and please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.